I'm so excited about our housewarming party, honey. It's going to be fantastic. We'll have food, wine, snacks. I can't wait to start shopping.
If you are that excited about shopping, just wait to see the new tech they have for us to use. It's called Daivi, or something like that.
New tech? What's a Davy?
You'll see.
A cart? Davy is a cart?
It's not just any cart. It's an AI smart cart. You'll see. Let's go. First, we unlock the Daivi.
Please take a cart.
Now we take one and go shopping. So, what's first on the list?
We need some appetizers, you know? So, fresh meat and cheese, of course. Fresh bread and vegetables.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what do we do?
You see the barcode here? Show it to the camera. When you hear the beep, put it in the basket. Now you give it a try. No, don't just hold it there. Put it in the basket.
So, when it scans a barcode, the item is added to the list here, right? Cool.
Yes, but it doesn't just count barcodes. I'll show you. Let's see here. Meat, cheese, cilantro, tomato. You know, I love your homemade bruschetta. It will be a hit at the party.
Yeah, if someone doesn't eat it all first.
Haha. Are you looking for the barcode?
Yes.
You don't need the barcode for stuff like this.
Why not? What do you do then?
Like I said before, it doesn't rely on barcodes. You see all the pictures on the container? Davy can see them too, just like we can. He knows that's a yogurt.
No way.
Yes, wait. Give it a try just like we did before. But don't worry about the barcodes. Hold the yogurt in the middle, just above the basket, and you'll see. Satisfied?
Okay, that's pretty cool. But what happens if I change my mind and want a different yogurt?
Do what you just did, but in reverse. Try it out.
Okay, smart guy. Not bad. I like this a lot. What did you call it again?
Davy.
Davy. Okay, Davy. I think we're going to get along just fine. But I still want this yogurt.
You got it, huh? Hey Bella, Davy says this panna cotta is on sale. It's new.
Really? I've never tried that brand before. I wonder if it's good.
It's on sale. Let's give it a try.
Well, now that we have most of the food, we need drinks to go with it.
One time.
You know it.
Okay, chef. What are we looking for? Red? White? Rosé?
Well, you know I love rats, but with everyone coming, let's get a few different kinds. Wait, what was that?
What happened? Did you break it?
No. Multiple items detected. Please insert one at a time.
Seems easy enough. Go ahead and put one in. Everything is good here. Looks like we fixed it.
Molto bene. Let's go. Looks we have everything. Ready to get in line?
Get in line. Where we are going, there are no lines. All done.
That was easy.
How did you like shopping with Davy?
Yeah, that was cool. I can't wait to tell everyone about it at the party.